Hey, everyone, welcome back. Today we're going into the sophisticated legal war between former President Donald Trump. A decision of the Supreme Court just now has important implications. Full breakdown to follow. Stay tuned. The Supreme Court has turned down special counsel Jack Smith's motion to fast-track a dispute over whether Trump should be immune from prosecution for actions taken as president. This establishes the stage for a legal clash which could determine Trump's future. Let's unpack the details. For the time being, with no reason given, the Supreme Court has declined to fast-track this immunity lawsuit. Now the focus turns to January 9th, when arguments will be heard before the Federal Appeals Court in Washington. Perhaps this decision means that the question of immunity will still be on the table, but with a longer lead time. Given the 91 criminal charges currently facing Trump across 4 jurisdictions, he is wading through a complicated legal swamp. He's trying to put off the trials until after next year's presidential election, in which he is one of several candidates running for the GOP nomination. These legal battles are poised to affect both Trump's standing in law and the upcoming campaign. The Supreme Court's decision came on the heels of special counsel Jack Smith, moving with unusual urgency given language citing exceptional national importance, arguing for accountability from a former president elected to head state. Attorney General FT, what do you say? At the same time, Trump defends himself against and says that makes it political revenge for him to be prosecuted on felony charges related to the 2020 election. The dispute revolves around crucial questions. Is the president immune from prosecution for federal crimes, or by continuing the criminal case, is it violating double jeopardy now that Trump has been impeached? These questions may establish new precedents for the limits of presidential power. Lawyers point out that the Supreme Court has never ruled in favor of immunity from criminal prosecution for a former president. The judges disagree that during these evenings, for example, Trump and his supporters deliberately behaved like political candidates instead of a sitting president, challenging the notion that we are granted lifelong immunity from jail time by virtue only of politics. Trump's legal team calls for a more measured approach. They want to slow down not only the D.C. trial, but also ongoing criminal cases in numerous states around the country as well. If he recaptures the White House, President Trump can still get the Justice Department to drop federal cases against him. There we have it, the latest installment in Trump's legal drama. How do you respond to the Supreme Court's decision? Post your comment below, click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates on this story. Until next time.